right, the finish on this 1987 Ferrari R12 new receiver dryer. This thing sucks so bad. They had such a horrible air conditioning system on these things. It's just a singular one tiny little tube and fin, the old tube and fin with wide spaced fins, big 3/8 tubes. Really sucks. Tiny little evaporator. At 3,000 RPMs, I'm able to get it down to 26 PSI on the low side. I think the expansion valve is stuck open. So at idle, we only have 39 PSI. The coldest it gets is 49 degrees. I can't get the low side down. I am pretty sure that the bulb in the expansion valve has lost some of its charge or stuck. When I give it idle, I could bring down the low side. High side really never gets high. 160 to 201. When I'm at 3,000 RPMs, I get 201 PSI with that little tiny evaporator using R12, but still only 49 degrees out the dash. So I think this expansion valve is kind of on the stuck open side or out of calibration where it's not metering, it's not choking off.